folks, it's me again. Before you do anything, click the like, subscribe, all that crap. You know, you hear it in every video, but it's, you know, it's a reminder. If you came and seen my video, I got tons of videos. This Tooly Tuesday, this is a tool video, so I'm going to put up on Tuesday. So for my Tooly Tuesday that I invented, I'll probably get sued because somebody will tell me they invented it for me, but it's okay. Till then, it's Tooly Tuesday, or Tool Tab Tuesday, or whatever you want to call it. This week, we have a Dewalt DCPR320B Pruner. This thing right here. I didn't do an unboxing because I really needed to use it, but to be fair, this thing is awesome. It comes with this handy protector. I bought the tool only because I have a shitload of batteries and it saved me, I don't know, 40 bucks, 60 bucks. I did an entire huge pile of trees with this, huge. And honestly, my review is, if it wasn't for this, I'd still be cutting those trees. I wouldn't even be halfway through the pile. Like I nipped through that pile faster than, you know, whatever you want to call it. And to be flat out honest, this thing is dangerous. You get this and you just accidentally bump yourself. I mean, you could. I mean, I was cutting trees at least 1.5 inches thick. It's not made to cut it. It doesn't just nip them. You gotta like squinch them and then squinch it again. But it cuts. I must have did several thousand cuts. I was going through. Most of them are softwood sumacs. It's, you know, it's not made for cutting oak all day, I don't think. But it does the job. I put a 6 amp hour battery on it, and first I did a whole entire corner of the property. And if you want to see it, here's the battery part. It has pretty much nothing to it really. It's just, I guess, a motor and a cutter. I mean, will I use this every day? No. If you have anybody who owes you money, it could come in handy. You know what I mean? It's got a safety cover, so that if you do put a battery on it and the battery is not charged, you can see. And if it is, let's just think the battery's dead. Ah, battery's dead. Yeah, see. Should get a good battery. See if I ever one. I have like 1 million batteries, but none of them are charged here. Okay. See if this one works now. See, it's got a safety thing. So this thing works. Easily cut your finger off with this. It's got the safety here, which you can't click it in. You have to push it down, and then after you go like this, end this, then you can engage this. You can stop it from going in different directions. I'm going to unplug it because I will probably lop a fingertip off. Yeah, this, if you got a lot of trees to prune, you don't feel like going like this all day, and if you really don't want exercise, you just want a sore thumb, sore finger, yeah, I'd recommend this. I'm pretty sure Milwaukee makes one. There's several other companies, but I like this one. And the only reason why I bought a Dewalt, again, is because of the color and because I have plenty of juice modules for it. So with that said, I don't know. I'll let you know in a year or two when it breaks how many trees it cut. But so far, it's a really good tool. Can't complain. It's got a little bump thing. I went through the bush, and before I cut the trees down, I went around to cut all the branches off. I was walking through the bush, pruning trees. I mean, I guess I should bring this with my motorcycle, so I can just like cut trees off while I'm driving. And it was good. I was just kind of pruning so I get through and cutting them up in 1 million pieces. What I did was I cut all the trees down, dragged them out in a pile, and then I grabbed the trees out and was just nipping them in 1 foot sections and just throwing the pieces. And it was like the whole piles in little tiny bits. Went from like a 6 foot high pile of brush to a maybe 6 inch pile of little, what do you call it, bits of trees. Cut the thorn bushes. I cut a whole bunch of stuff. So with that said, if you like these, if you really, I'm guessing it's not for don't start the bike. It's not for the average gardener, because I mean I could, you know, maybe it is. I mean, if you want to just do a quick pruning, but if you're doing a lot of pruning, this is a time saver, life saver. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and eat some more fruit.